Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make a samurai helmet today. A samurai was a warrior and he belonged to the highest hierarchy in the Japanese old society. A samurai helmet weighed as heavy as 5 pounds. Get a sheet of origami paper. You may only have a rectangular paper. To assist making a square, refer to my other YouTube link. Place the white side of the origami paper facing up. Put the corners at the top and bottom. Match the bottom corner to the top corner precisely together. Crease the mounting fold at the bottom. Fold the right edge in half by matching the two parts together. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the left edge in half by matching the two parts together. Crease the mounting fold. Put the paper upside down or rotate it by 180 degrees. Bring the bottom right corner of the top layer to the top corner. By keeping them together, crease the bottom. Bring the bottom left corner to the top corner. Crease the mounting fold. Bring both bottom parts onto the top by folding along the middle line to make one triangle. Crease the mounting fold on the bottom firmly. Unfold only the outer triangle. Fold it into the pocket by making one triangle. Unfold the top white triangle. Mark a point on the right side edge at the place which is about 1/3 of the way down from the top vertex. Do the same on the left side. Mark a point on the left side edge at the place which is about 1/3 of the way down from the top vertex. Connect each point with a corner of the triangle in the middle. Fold along the line on the right side. Fold along the line on the left side. Bring the bottom corner to the place that is a little lower than the top corner. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the bottom strip along the baseline of the triangle and crease firmly. Now we have completed our samurai helmet. Thank you for making a samurai helmet with us today. If you make it with a larger paper, such as newspaper, you can wear it and you may feel as if you were a samurai warrior. Please subscribe and let's make another origami together in the next video.